We start today with a triplet-based groove, which is a 4/4, so we count 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we subdivide each and every one of those beats into 3 evenly spread smaller notes. So from quarter notes we go into 8 notes. We have 3 times 4, so 12 8 notes. This sort of groove is called usually 12/8. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E. We're going to learn today a drum fill, which is based on this triplet fill, but we're going to double the first note of every triplet. So instead of having 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and, we're going to have 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. We're going to play that alternating right and left. So we're going to have right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Let's try it with the groove. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those were just suggested variations on the drum kit. My favorite one would be actually alternating the 2 quick strokes on the tom-tom and having the slower stroke on the snare drum. So 1, 2, So the other variation I was playing is right, left, right, left. So the quick strokes are snare and tom-tom, and the slow ones are on the floor tom. 1, 2, 3, 4. case I was playing the same sort of drum fill, but based on a 16-note subdivision. We're going to play in a straight groove, so it's not 12-8 as before, it's just normal 4-4. Just to better understand, I'm going to play it as 16 notes groove. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and So working with 16 notes, grouping them by 3, we're going to have 1 E-N, Da 2 E, and Da 3, E and Da, and 4 last 16 notes that we're going to leave straight. Every first one of these 4 groups of 3 before, we're going to double the first note. So it becomes Wa a E N, Da a 2 E, N Da 3, E N Da, 4 E N Da. Hopefully it's gonna make more sense with the notes that I'm gonna provide you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and